What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and here we are with a simple video. I just wanted to cover more of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra that we have here, and this device is really cool. I'm liking it a lot, but I gotta be honest, there's a lot that I don't know. And if you're like me, you may be looking to use the user manual. So this video, once again, it's simple. It's just about finding the user manual for the Galaxy Watch Ultra very quickly and easily. So we're going to start by doing a search for the Wearable app. So I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of my display and I'm going to tap on the search bar. And you may have to actually do a search for the Wearable app, but mine is actually showing up at the top here. It's shown as Wear or Wearable, and I'm going to tap on that. So my watch appears here, but we're going to swipe down until we get to Tips and User Guide, and we're going to tap on that. And this is very helpful if you're looking for basic features, settings and personalization, apps and features, health, wearing your watch, or the user guide. So you can dive deeper into all of this and find out more about your watch. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.